Ever wake up feeling sluggish and sluggisher? Reach for a coffee, only to remember that jittery afternoon crash? Enter lemon water, the internet's darling detox drink. But is it all sunshine and rainbows, or is it just hype? The truth, like most things in life, falls somewhere in between. Today, we're diving deep into the world of lemon water, exploring its potential benefits and how long it might take to see results, if any. So, grab a glass, plop down, and get ready to separate fact from fiction. Why lemon water? Lemon water is as simple as it gets, a squeeze of zesty sunshine in your daily H2O. But why lemons? Well, these little powerhouses are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps fight free radicals and might even boost your immune system. Lemons also contain citric acid, which some believe aids digestion and can leave you feeling refreshed. The benefits break down. Now, let's dissect the claims surrounding lemon water. Here's the thing, there isn't a ton of rock-solid scientific evidence to support claims of lemon water being a magical elixir. However, there are some potential benefits worth considering. Hydration hero, let's face it, plain water can get boring. A splash of lemon adds a refreshing twist, encouraging you to drink more fluids throughout the day. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, impacting everything from your skin to your brain function. Digestive dance, the citric acid in lemons might play a role in stimulating digestive juices. This can potentially aid digestion, especially after a heavy meal. Vitamin C champion, as mentioned, lemons are a great source of vitamin C. This essential vitamin supports your immune system, helps with collagen production, good for your skin, and might even shorten the duration of a cold. The debunking dose. While lemon water has its perks, it's important to manage expectations. Here's a reality check on some popular claims. Weight loss wonder? Wishful thinking. Lemon water, by itself, won't magically melt away pounds. However, by boosting your hydration and potentially aiding digestion, it might indirectly support weight management efforts when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Detox delusion. Your body has its own amazing detox system, your liver and kidneys. Lemon water isn't a magic bullet for flushing out toxins. So, when does the magic happen? The short answer? There's no set time frame for lemon water to work its magic or not so magic. The benefits, like improved hydration or digestion, are more gradual and depend on how much water you drink and your overall diet. The key ingredient, consistency, is king. The key to seeing any potential benefits from lemon water is consistency. Make it a habit to start your day with a glass, or sip on it throughout the day. Remember, moderation is key. Too much lemon juice can irritate your teeth, so dilute it with water and avoid excessive amounts. The final squeeze. Lemon water is a refreshing and potentially helpful addition to your daily routine. It might not be a miracle cure, but it can contribute to good hydration and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular exercise is the real magic potion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.